In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see projects in list view in DaVinci Resolve. If you want a cleaner and more organized way to browse your projects, switching to list view is a quick and useful option. This can make it easier to scan project names and find what you need, especially if you have a lot of projects saved and the default thumbnail view feels a little too crowded. To begin, look at the bottom right corner of DaVinci Resolve. You'll want to click the Home button. This takes you out of the current editing workspace and brings you back to the main project library area, where all of your projects are displayed. If you're currently inside a project, this is the place you need to go first before changing how the projects are shown. Once you're on the home page, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see a list icon. Click that icon to switch your project view into list view. That's it. As soon as you click it, your projects will be displayed in a list format instead of the standard visual layout. This view can be especially helpful if you prefer a more compact arrangement or if you want to focus more on project names and details rather than large preview thumbnails. If you don't immediately notice the change, just take a second to look at how the projects are arranged. In list view, the layout becomes more structured and easier to scroll through, which can save time when you're managing multiple edits. A helpful tip is to use this view whenever you're working on a lot of similar projects, because it can reduce visual clutter and help you locate the right project more quickly. It's a small adjustment, but it can make your workflow feel much more efficient. So again, all you need to do is click the Home button in the bottom right, then click the list icon in the top right, and your projects will appear in list view. And that's all for this tutorial.